Shandong Arow Machinery Company is a leading high-tech enterprise in Jinan, China, specializing in the research and development, manufacturing, sales, and application promotion of food engineering projects. The company covers an area of more than 5,000 square meters and has about 200 employees. We mainly engaged in extrusion and puffed food machinery and engineering, food processing machinery, professional packaging equipment, other leisure food machinery and engineering. Based on our extruder and related machines, we could provide majority extruded food and snacks not only for human but also for animals, like high and low moisture textured vegetable protein-based analogs, meat, cornflake breakfast cereals, nutritional, instant rice, noodles, leisure puffed food and pet food, aquatic feed production lines, two-stage extruded fried pellets, edible extruded straw, series of drying plants, roasting, shaping equipment, etc. We currently serving nearly 1,000 companies in the world, with products sold to more than 120 countries and regions, with certificates of factory, like ISO, patents. Our technical R&D team has more than 20 years of industry engineering experience, customized design and supply ability of non-standardized products, according to different market demands and needs. We have professional team of engineers, which can provide complete after-sales service and operation training, establish a complete customer product quality tracking system, and achieve a win-win situation with customers. We are looking forward to your inquiry and visiting.